This next tip is a quick one, but I get it often enough that I thought I would share it with people. One of the things people do when they create a list is they want to be able to check things off their list. Well, with Excel, you can actually create a checkbox. As you can see right here, I have a checkbox for Rebecca Austin because she is retired. If Dan was going to get retired, well, that would be nice. I wouldn't have to work anymore. I can place my marquee or my cursor on A2, which is where it says retired for Dan. Now, the easiest way to find the check mark is to go to Insert. Think about anything you want to insert in your worksheet. You would go to the Insert tab, and you'll notice that the different groups like tables and illustrations. Now, a lot of people would think they'd go to the illustrations and maybe it's smart art or shapes or something to that effect. But really the check mark is hidden way over here to the right where it says symbols. There's equation symbols and there's regular symbols. If you click on the regular symbols button, this box will pop up. And if you scroll through all the various symbols that are in here, you will notice down towards the bottom of the symbol area is the checkbox mark. Now, once you've used the check mark, you'll know it will be in your recently used symbols down here at the bottom. So you don't have to find it as hard. You can just come to this symbol box and click on the check mark. And when you click on it to highlight it, you'll see you just click Insert, and you'll notice over here I've inserted that check mark. I'm going to go ahead and close my symbol box, and that symbol of a check mark is going to be there. Now, if you want to copy it and paste it somewhere else, you can do that. You can even use the autofill handle and put in various check marks by just autofilling that checkbox.